Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X8c, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. There it was, the first one right here under Tools. And you want to click on the three dots in here and navigate into the settings, then import export. Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. You can quickly select them by clicking right here at the bottom and maybe deselect some contacts that you might not want. From there, once everything is checked that you want to import, click on the import button, select where you want to import contacts to. Now this is a scrollable field right here, even though it's just one option tall. You might see some other options in here, maybe your Google accounts or Huawei or HONOR accounts or whatever else. So if you want to import contacts to somewhere else rather than the phone, you can see them probably in the list. I don't have anything else here, so I'm just going to select the phone itself. It's going to import the contacts, and when you go back to the contacts list, you should be able to see all the imported contacts. Now you can also see that this device will show you duplicates. So we have these two are on the SIM card, while these two are the same contacts that are now on the phone. You can change what's being displayed here in the settings, so you can remove SIM contacts, as when you import them, they don't serve any purpose to show up in here. But in any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.